In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send message on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just stop right here at that magnifying glass icon. After that, we'll be able to search for some username to find a user whom we want to send a message. You can just start typing in your friend's username, and once you find one, you can tap on it, and then on their profile you can easily find that message button. If we tap at that button, we'll be taken to a conversation with that user, and then we can start messaging by entering our text message here, and to send it, tap at send. Also, we can send some picture. If we tap at that icon, it will open up our camera roll, and then we can check mark a picture or multiple pictures at the same time, and then we can send them. Also, we can send some sticker. We can choose a sticker from suggested, just like that, or we can search for stickers using that search box. Also, we can send a voice message. To do that, touch and hold at that microphone icon, and as you can see, voice message is now being recorded, and once I lift off finger from the screen, the message is sent. Let me show you again. Now I am recording a message, and now the message has been sent. Also, you can use your camera to take a photo and immediately send it to your recipient. You can just tap on it, and that will activate your camera. After that, you can take a picture, and once you tap at send, the photo will be sent to that conversation. That's how you can easily send messages on Instagram.